Sige, tanungin mo na lang yung mga bumibili ng bigas dyan, yung pumupunta ng palengke everyday to purchase rice. May tag 20 pesos ba talaga na bigas?
Sila, meron, nag-roll out sila, Mayor. Select locations nationwide.
But it's a subsidy of the
Exactly.
government.
Subsidized. Yes, yes,
It's not the actual price. It's not an actual market price
Correct.
ng bigas. Sumasakit ulo ko pagka iniisip ko. If you really want to subsidize yung bigas, just give it to them for free. Kasi may pera naman talaga. Pero dapat selected na doon kailangan kung sino yung nangangailangan talaga. Ilibre mo na lang yan. But the actual market price, di mo talaga ma-change unless you improve the economy. So how do you improve the economy? Infrastructure. Magsisimula ka talaga dyan so that people can move around, comfortably and freely. So magkakaroon ng economic stimulation, di ba? So businesses will put up, magkakaroon ng employment, di ba? Magkakaroon ng pera yung tao. So pag may pera yung tao, makakabili sila ng bigas. So ngayon, pag may demand, ang tanong dyan, may supply ba? For example, DA, sabihin mo, kung ako presidente, how can we lower that? We need to have supply. The only way you can bring down the price is to have enough supply higher than the demand. Ganun mo makukuha yung 20 pesos na bigas. So hindi yung bibili ka ng bigas from somewhere using the government's money, then turn it into a program, tapos sasabihin mo 20 pesos yan na bigas. That's different from the actual market price. Kasi kung gusto mo talaga, sige, kung presidente ka, sabi mo agriculture from the very start, siya yung nag-upo na as OIC sa Department of Agriculture. Eh di sana, nagpagawa ka ng maraming palayan dyan, then you tell the farmers to magtanim ng so that may supply tayo. Pag marami tayong supply ng bigas, more than the demand, then bababa yung presyo ng bigas. And we know you've never delivered anything. Tapos ngayon, gagawin mo. Then next year, may SONA na naman siya. Isipin mo yun, tapos it will be the same thing again. Pero wala yan. Tingin ko si Marcos kasi, ang gusto niyan maging presidente lang to reclaim what they think is his birthright. Kasi diktador yung tatay niya. Then makaupo sila sa the highest position in the country. Yan lang ang gusto niyan. Walang iba. Bahala na kayo lahat. And he serves the oligarchs, the political dynasties. Yun naman talaga. And ito naman, oligarchs and the political dynasties, ang gagawin talaga yan is to increase the wealth gap so that you can exploit people, the people below. So kaya masaya talaga yung mga oligarko. Tingin ko, si Bam at saka si Kiko kasi, pwede sila maging running mates for the 2028 election kasi Aquino si Bam eh. Si Risa Ontiveros kasi